Yeah.
Hey guys, here's a little hand tutorial on how to crack your knuckles. So I'll see you guys can hear what it sounds like. You can hear that, can't you? Can't do it with my other hand, but I can always crack it with this hand on any finger. And so here's a little demonstration on how to do it. So you basically want to have both hands out. You have to have blisters to do it, or you basically have to know what way you're pushing it. So keep them all straight. Take this hand, put the thumb here, and then grab onto it, pull it, and push it down, and try to keep it straight. And it'll try to pop like this. Thanks for watching this quick hand tutorial on how to crack your knuckles. Here's a little warm up to do it. This is a little warm up. In this, you can crack your neck as well. So